one of the projects that I have going on in my lab deals with the certain molecules that are isolated from fungi, and these fungi have a pretty interesting story themselves. Kind of goes back, millions of years, where certain species of grass have co-evolved to have a mutualistic relationship with certain fungi. So the fungi takes nutrients from the grass, and there's some benefits back conferred back to the host plant. And when the chemistry comes in, or for me, there's small molecules, particular metabolites that offer resistance to certain herbivores. Some offer protection against more typically vertebrate or mammalian herbivores, and some are more targeted selectively to insects. So it's an interesting sort of story top down. You have a picture in biology that's interesting, a relationship between two species there. There's chemistry, small molecules underneath that story, and it's a natural pest paradigm that's been around for millions of years. And these molecules, that's really the chemistry that I get into is what does this molecule really do? How does it work? How can you make it from small building blocks efficiently? Does it have mammalian toxicity? How effective an insecticide is it? How does it really fit into that sort of tripartite relationship of grass, fungus, herbivore? Although these can be isolated from nature, often it's difficult to produce these in significant quantities, so I can solve the issue of scale. They're also often isolated as a mixture of closely related congeners, so very closely related structures, but it can be difficult to have and prepare and isolate just a single individual one that you can actually begin to assay the activity of that one congener. So I can deal with a sort of selectivity issue. And then there's the chemistry behind that. Can you make this in a new, creative way that's more effective and more efficient than trying to access this from the natural source itself?
And have you had successes?
Yes, we prepared 2 of the 4 molecule classes that come out of this natural pest control paradigm. And we're really interested in pursuing these further and getting into seeing where these things go.